brain, like our body, also needs a bit of exercise in order to stimulate it and make it perform better. So in this segment, we take a look at some of these brain exercises, especially meant for students.
It's another day in class for students of Prime Academy International School in Mumbai. But in addition to the usual subjects that they will learn through the day, there is yet another interesting one that is very much a part of their curriculum.
Good morning, children, and welcome back to SIP Abacus and Brain Gym program.
The Abacus and Brain Gym program is a whole brain development program which combines the Eastern method of learning, the Abacus system, with the Western science of brain gym. Offered to different schools by an organization called SIP Academy India, headquartered in Chennai, this is one of the many programs designed to enhance a child's brain power.
The basic philosophy of the program is to get the child be able to concentrate a little bit better, focus, visualize in the sense it helps develop their photographic memory. It basically enhances their memory capabilities in terms of, remembering, recalling. So all this slowly, gradually translates into better academic performance.
The brain gym comprises of a simple set of exercises, the most important of which is called PACE, where P stands for exercises aimed at positive thinking, A for exercises aimed at activating both sides of the brain, C for clearing the brain, and E for energizing the brain. The exercises begin in reverse order by first sipping water, which is required to energize the body. The next is the exercise meant for clearing the brain by activating the brain button. Here the index finger and thumb of the right hand is placed below the collarbone, which is believed to be the position of the brain button, and the left hand is placed over the stomach and gently moved in circular motions. While doing this, the students are required to exhale and inhale deeply.
We change our hands. They are supposed to inhale deeply. So basically, indirectly, they are taking more oxygen. More oxygen is reaching their cells of the body. Okay, and that simple movement which is done helps the blood circulation flow better.
The next exercise in the set is the brain crawl.
Now we move on to the A part of our PACE exercise. A, as you all know, is activating your right brain and your left brain for your work. Let's start.
Here the right palm is brushed over the left thigh, which is raised a little, and the left palm is brushed over the right thigh. This is done in quick succession for a few counts.
We'll come to the P part of our PACE exercise.
The last exercise in the set is called the positive thinking exercise through hookups.
Stand straight, stretch out your arms, turn your palm outwards, hook them up. Okay, bend it and take it close to your brain button point.
Once the hands are clasped close to the chest, the students are made to shut their eyes, breathe deeply, and create visual imagery in their minds based on the instructions given.
Just imagine you are walking in the garden. It is a beautiful garden.
This exercise is aimed at calming the students and relieving them of any stress that they have related to academics.
Slowly open your eyes, stretch out your arms, unhook them, get them by your side.
After the initial set of brain gym exercises, the students are then put through different brain enhancing activities, one of which is speed writing.
Are we ready? Start.
In speed writing, students are required to quickly write numbers from 1 to 10 inside squares as many times as possible in a time limit of 1 minute. But the challenge is to first do this using the lazy hand, which in the case of a right-handed person is the left hand, and for a left-handed person is the right hand.
Okay, stop. Now change your pencils, put them in your normal working hand.
So in this exercise, students make use of both their hands, which helps activate both the sides of the brain.
Okay, children, time up.
The next activity is the solving of mathematical problems through dictation. But before the students undergo this, they are made to do some more brain gym exercises targeted towards different parts of their body.
We'll start with the thinking cap.
The thinking cap exercise is to enhance the auditory senses of the student. In this, students are required to hold the upper part of their ear with the thumb placed behind and then pull the ear upwards for 5 counts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next, the middle portion of the ear is held and pulled outward for 5 counts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And finally, the earlobe is held and pulled downwards for 5 counts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The ear being a very important part for the growth process of the children, their listening skills, because most of the concentration factor we believe is closely linked to, are they listening? So it's a very simple way of opening up the passage of the ear and improving the blood circulation around the ear.
The next brain gym exercise is called positive points. Here the students have to take their hands to their forehead, place the thumbs on the sides, and with 2 fingers, the index and the middle finger, gently massage their forehead. And finally, the last exercise before the dictation activity is called the lazy 8. Here the right hand is raised at eye level with the thumb sticking upwards. Then while keeping the gaze fixed on the thumb, it is moved along an imaginary figure of a skipping number 8. The same is then repeated with the other hand. Lazy 8 is a good exercise not just for the brain but also for the eyes. These exercises help prepare the students for the next session, which is solving mathematical problems using the abacus.
So children, you all know this is called an abacus. It's a very, very old kind of a calculator.
The abacus is an ancient computing instrument invented by the Chinese. Made of beads that slide along rods, it is used to solve mathematical problems through logical calculations.
Well,